that an 81 Toyota Corolla? God damn, that thing is sweet.
Look at that hotness right now. But that thing runs nice.
Working on Project Rock and Rolla at BoostRodeo Garage today. Today we rolled the car over to my pop's house since he's got a lot more stuff at our disposal. So we got a lot to do on the car today. We gotta weld some seat brackets up and get those in. If we get time, we're gonna try and stitch weld the body just to stiffen everything up, make it a little more solid on the track. So that's the goal today. So here you can see we got a 2-post lift that we can use to get it up in the air to work on the exhaust and maybe check the underside out. Also, we're gonna be doing a bit of welding today, so we got a pair of Lincoln twins here with the TIG and a MIG going, so we'll might crack into both those today. And you can see one of the other BoostRodeo projects up there. My Supra is in pieces, awaiting some parts for the front subframe to get put back together.
Fucking tight back here.
You're gonna blind the shit out of you?
Yeah, I'm not gonna look at it. The floor's on fire underneath.
Is it?
Looks like it.
You alright?
Up in smoke. Let's hope that never happens.
Yeah. Bad omen. Body's all stitch welded. We'll ignore the seat mounts because they are ugly as hell. But hopefully that does something for us, or at least makes us feel better and we get a placebo effect on how stiff the chassis is.
Amazing.
So seat is finally in. We had to get a little bit creative and build some new custom block mounts, but miraculously we were able to mount it at kind of an incline so that as it slides, it actually slides down and back. So all the way back, it gives us some extra headroom for our enormous racing driver Josh, and he's able to extend out and reach the pedals pretty well without being too cramped. And then also, let's just put this down for a sec. Here you can see when it's all the way forward, it's actually sitting pretty tight. to the steering wheel so I can fit in there perfectly and still be sitting pretty aggressive to drive. Some of the other cool projects we got on deck around here. Got a 48 International pickup. And we pulled right off the farm over in Montana. Fortunately, we just pulled the head to go through the motor, and as you can see, this thing is toast. So we were hoping to catch a break there and be able to bring it back and run the original inline six flathead, but no dice on that. I got a Mustang back there that someday we might get to. Got a Cougar sitting over here. Another Supra. We got a few of those around if you can't tell. Kind of a soft spot for them. And lastly, hiding under the cover is my 65 Comet.
So that's all we got time for today, but the Corolla is finally starting to look like a race car. So we're gonna hit it again soon, hopefully wrap this thing up, and then we can get it on some dirt. So until then, guys, you know the drill. Subscribe if you're enjoying our budget rally car build series. Hit like if you like this video, and we'll see you guys later.